In this Watch It, we're going to talk about how to skip a loop if you need to skip one. So there are two keywords that we're going to look at. It is the break keyword and the continue keyword. The Python break keyword can be used to prematurely terminate a loop when a specified condition is met. Now, the break statement is situated inside the loop statement and is preceded by a test expression, so an if expression. When the test is true, the loop ends immediately and the program proceeds on to the next task. Whereas with a continue, what happens here is the continue keyword uses a skip of a single iteration of a loop when specified condition is met, then continues from there. So let's look at how that works in Python. So we are going to create a program and we are going to name it break continue. And we are going to put in this for I in range 1, 4, for j in range 1, 4, print running I and j. And so let's go right over here. I have my break continue, and then I have created some other loops. So I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to get this for my break right here, Control C. And I'm going to paste this in. So now when I run this, and of course you do need to click save every time you make a change. And now it's going to run, and I have I1, J1, and it goes all the way through I3, J3. So now it says to put in our break statement. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter an if I equal 2 and j equal 1. We're going to print breaks inner loop at I2, J1, and then we're going to put in the keyword break, and then we have our running again. So we're going to click back over here to our break continue. So directly underneath the for j, you're going to hit enter. And you're going to put in if I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1, put your colon. Then you're going to print breaks inner loop at I equal 2, j equal 1. You're going to close that. Okay, hit enter, put the keyword break. You don't need to put anything else. Then you're going to click run. And when you run this, it's going to be running, and you're going to see I equal 1 and then j equal 1. It goes all the way down here and it has I equal 2, j equal 1. Breaks inner loop at I equal 2, j equal 1. And it does not go back into the loop until I equals 3. So it completely gets out until those are no longer options. And then now we have I equal 3, j equal 1. So the next thing we're going to look at is how does the continue work? So the continue says we're going to open this back up. And this time we're going to hit enter. And we're going to put in our next if statement, and it says if I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. And then we're going to say print. Make sure that you put in your quotation and then finish typing the statement. Make sure that you are, typing it in correctly. Close your quotation. I'm going to use a single quote. And I'm going to put in the continue keyword. I'm going to save it, run. And when it runs, I have continues inner loop at I equal 1, j equal 1. It's running it. Then it says breaks inner loop at I2, J1. does not do any of the I2s, and then it continues. And that is how you use a continue and a break statement. Please answer the understanding question, and then if you have any questions for me, just send me an email.